Today, America faces another crisis, a public health crisis that is ravaging communities across our country without respect to states or ethnicities or anything else. I'm referencing the surge in prescription drugs, opioids, or heroin abuse that has led or is leading to the deaths and despair of far too many American families. The statistics are alarming, shocking. There's not a city or state untouched by this crisis.
Initiatives like the National Association of Broadcasters and Partnership for Drug-Free Kids have announced is so extremely important. I use an example to some of you that when years ago they did this on putting on seatbelts, and what a difference that made. Well, this is even more important.
What I think will get to them is the stories on TV and radio, is the fact that their parents will hear it and that future kids and future parents will learn, you know what, when I go to the dentist, maybe I really don't need 30 pills. Maybe I just need 3.
Every life taken by this epidemic is precious. We need to use all tools that we have to combat it. Education and awareness are critical components of a comprehensive approach that both supports prevention that as well as ensures that those already in the grips of addiction know where to go to get help.
If we are going to cure this scourge, this epidemic that is affecting America, and particularly many of our citizens who may not only be amongst the least well-off financially, but amongst the most well-off financially. It has affected every spectrum of American society. If we're going to address it effectively, it'll be through a program such as the NAB is inaugurated on today.
We stand committed to putting the full focus and efforts of our 52 broadcast operations in 9 states behind this important initiative, and I'm quite certain that our peers will participate as well.
Sadly, this opioid epidemic is not going away soon, and neither is Sinclair's coverage. All of our stations in over 80 markets nationwide are fully behind the Partnership for Drug-Free Kids PSA campaign. And we will continue to commit our broadcast, digital, and social media resources to be part of the solution.
We entered the television business in 1948, and we've been doing commitment to community service since then through various programs, as various senators referenced. Hearst television stations have been reporting on this crisis for the last 2 years with local community reports, town halls, on our digital platforms, and news reports. We're going to do more.
As some of the senators mentioned earlier, the CDC does not toss around the term epidemic lightly, and they have called this current wave of prescription drug and heroin use an epidemic, and it is. It's affecting families coast to coast in small cities and small towns and large cities and everything in between. And it's really going to require that we all join hands together, that every facet of the community is playing a role to have a comprehensive response to this problem.